In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Google Calendar efficiently and with ease. Exporting your calendar can be incredibly useful for sharing your schedule across different platforms or for backup purposes. Let's dive into this process step by step to make sure you have everything you need to get started successfully. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate over to the Google Calendar website. You can do this by simply typing Google Calendar into your search engine, which should direct you to the appropriate page. Once you're there, click on the first result to enter the main site interface. As you land on the Google Calendar website, you'll need to sign in if you aren't already. Begin by entering your email address associated with your Google account. After you input your email, click on the Next button to proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and type in the correct password and then click Next again to finalize the login and gain access to your calendar. With your Google Calendar now open, focus on the left sidebar where you will notice a list of your calendars. Identify the specific calendar you'd like to export. To the right of that calendar's name, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these to bring up more options related to that calendar. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Sharing. This option will lead you to a new page dedicated to the settings of your chosen calendar. You'll find a variety of settings options here, but for this tutorial, we are going to concentrate on exporting the calendar. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Export Calendar. Click on this. By doing so, a zip file containing an iCalendar .ics file will be automatically downloaded to your computer. This .ics file contains all the events and details from the specified calendar. Remember that the exported file is compatible with most calendar applications and can be imported to other calendar services such as Microsoft Outlook or Apple Calendar. It's an effective way to keep your schedule consistent across multiple platforms, especially if you are using different devices or applications. To recap, by following these steps, you'll swiftly export your Google Calendar, allowing you to share or back up your schedule as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in demystifying the process of exporting your Google Calendar. Don't forget to check back for more informative guides and tips to streamline your digital life.